What's up, guys? In today's video, we will be learning how to print stuff with Python. So, I have opened up my text editor, which is Visual Studio Code, and we are going to open a folder. So we will click Open Folder, then we will choose what file or folder we want, and then I'm choosing Python projects as my folder, and then click Open. And if you don't have a folder made, you can create a new folder. Then we're going to click this icon right here, which is the top icon, and then we will see Python projects or the file name up here. And then we're going to click the first icon, which will create a new file, and we'll name it whatever we want. So I'm going to name it project 1, and then we have to add the .py, which tells the computer that this is the Python file. Hit enter, and then we have our Python file. So now, to print something in Python, we want to type up print, parentheses, then quotation marks, and then type up what we want to print. So we are going to type hello world. So now that we have our code written, we're going to save it. To save it, we're going to use the keyboard shortcut called Command S for Mac and Control S for Windows users. So I'm on a Mac, so we're going to be using Command S. And then to open the terminal on Mac, you're going to click Terminal up here, click New Terminal, and then you're going to get the terminal down here. On Windows, I'm not really sure, but you can you find a terminal like the standard computer terminal and use that. So then you're going to pull it up to this folder and enter to the folder, which is Python projects. And then to run the code, we're going to type up Python project1.py, and project1 is the file name. So we will type up the file name to run the file. And when we run it, we see hello world. So that is how you print stuff in Python. Thanks for watching this video.